Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for social media templates business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So the first thing here, the topic isn't here, so you can just uh, type all templates, and the type it might be services. So you can choose start with one of these templates here, or if you want to build your own templates from here. So let's get started and let's go. So here you can type your business name, build your home page, section by section, adding as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive. You can do anything to make it better and much better as you can as possible. So that's it. Now let's move on. The product section and the services section, about section, the social section, and the forms and the footer section. Let's move on. Add page to your site. Choose the color palette you like, any color you like, any color match with your business. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Choose the font, and let's finish this. And now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, and choose the writing style, add the details about your website, about your products, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip this. Okay, so this is your home page right now. You can edit it first from here. So click here, and the first thing here, you can introduce your brand. So you can introduce your presentate your site. So for example, you can type welcome to our site. Okay, welcome to our site for social media templates. Okay, like this. And after this, you can change the text on this label. Type anything on the text. And now let's move on to the section. So here you can change the grid, the row count, and the gap. You can edit the section, the fill screen, the height, and the alignments. And the background, you can select just a simple art, or if you want to add image on the background, click here and select from library and go to the free image and search on social media templates. Okay, for example, you can choose this on the background. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. That's it. You can also edit the site header. You can change the site title here, and you can add the logo image and the mobile logo image. Also, you can add the elements and edit the social links and switch the language. So that's it. And now let's move on to the next section. So here you can select just a simple art like that. Also here just a simple art. and you can change the social links. And here instead of this image you can, for example, add your location, your map. You can add click here, add a block, and you can add the map and add your business address. So click here, wait, click here, and you can add the business name and the address and the city and the state and the country, and also you can change the design of the map. That's it. And now in the background you don't have to add the image on the background, just a simple art, it's much better. So that's it. Now let's move on to the footer. So this is the last section, the footer section. So just click here and add just a simple art. So that's it. And now after you're done from designing your website, you can just save this and go to the styling section. So now go to the styling section, and you can add the products to your inventory and customize your products, and add the name of your products in the image. And after this you can customize the stock, unlimited stock or not, and after this you can add the way to get paid, and after this choose the subscription plan. You can choose if you want to pay annually or pay monthly. So select the most popular and the most popular plan. You can select this, for example. And the last step is go live and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for social media templates business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.